Okay, now after we do the calibration for the white ink and the color ink, everything is working and the print machine, the motion is working well, we can start to print a job. Also, we put the t-shirt on the palette and we need to rip a file. Okay, so if we want to print the picture on the black t-shirt with best quality, it's better for process the picture before print on the Photoshop. First we open the Photoshop and then below the picture you want to print. And here we must pay attention to that. You must process the picture with the transparent background. For example, this position you don't want to print the white ink, we just delete it, keep it as transparent, and then we transfer the picture to CMYK format. And then we can go to the channel here with CMYK, and then we select to create a spot color channel for white ink. We select the area we want to print white ink, like first open here and we opposite select. Then this area we select succeed, and this is for white ink. For example, we want to print this with white ink with full image. Then we go to after select, then we go to channel and create a spot channel, this one. And here we select the white ink density with maximal, CMYK with 100%, and then apply, and the density solid we put 100, then okay, like this. And then we open the eyes for spot white and open the eyes for color. Then we save as TIFF format and save it. Then we open the RIPS software to process the picture. First we load, we can transfer the language here, language to English, and then when we open the RIP, we need to double check the printer setting, and then we create a new file and import the file that we processed before with T format. And here you can set the print size. This is the print out size. And also you can right click the mouse to set the print out size here again. Then we go to spot color. If you want to print white ink, you just choose white ink spot and density 100%, and with high quality model for white ink. And shrink is for, you can put 0.5 for shrink to prevent the white ink overlap. And then just only need to open this one and this two, because the Athena-Jet I use 2 print head. So this, the number 2 and number 3 I choose none. Then press OK.